Looking to add some peace and love to your wardrobe? Let's knit a peace sign sweater. First, grab your medium weight yarn and circular needles. Cast on 120 stitches for a medium size using the long tail cast on method. Join in the round carefully and start with 2 inches of 1x1 ribbing. Next, switch to stockinette stitch and place markers to divide for front, back, and sleeves. Begin Raglan increases by making 1 stitch before and after each marker. Repeat until your yoke measures 8 to 10 inches. Now, set the sleeve stitches aside and cast on a few stitches under each arm to join the body. Knit in the round until you reach about 15 to 18 inches from the underarm. Time for the peace sign. Follow your chart to knit the design on the front of the sweater. Switch back to 1x1 ribbing for the bottom, knit for 2 inches, and bind off loosely. For sleeves, place stitches back on the needles, pick up underarm stitches, and knit in the round. Decrease gradually and finish with 2 inches of ribbing before binding off. Finally, weave in all ends and block your sweater. Congrats, you've just knitted a peace sign sweater. Happy knitting!